Hello friend. Welcome to my video. In the previous video, I showed you how to install Proxmox Virtual Server. In this video I will show you how to backup virtual machines installed on that Proxmox server. Your backup server needs at least 2 hard drives, one to install the operating system and one to store backup files. Go to the Proxmox download page, and download the Proxmox Backup Server ISO installer. Once downloaded, you can create a bootable USB stick using tools like Rufus. Proxmox Backup Server is a backup solution for backing up and restoring VMS. Reboot your server and use the BIOS or UEFI interface to boot it from the Proxmox ISO. When the Proxmox Backup Server ISO installer shows up, press Enter to install it. Then agree to the Proxmox license agreement. Next, choose the target hard disk. Then select your country, time zone, and keyboard layout. Create a password and enter your email address. Next, configure network settings. After that, Proxmox Backup Server will give you a summary to review. If everything is okay, click the Install button. Once the installation is complete, reboot your server. The web-based admin interface is available at server IP address and 8007 port. After successful installation of the Proxmox Backup Server, the configuration via the web interface can be done. This video shows which steps are necessary to set up a Proxmox Backup Server. The default username is root. The password is the one you set when installing Proxmox Backup Server. In this section, I will show you how to create a ZFS pool and backup data store. Then a ZFS pool is created via storage and disks, and then click ZFS. A name is assigned, then select the desired hard disk and press OK. Now you can see the created data store under Data Store. Once the pool has been created, it is automatically included in the Proxmox Backup Server as a backup data store. In this video, I will make a backup for this virtual machine and then restore it. On Proxmox Virtual Environment System, add the Proxmox Backup Server under Data Center, then Storage, then Add, then choose Proxmox Backup Server. Under ID 1 assigns the Proxmox Virtual Environment Local Data Store ID. Under Server 1 specifies the IP address of the Proxmox Backup Server. Username is root@pam. Under Data Store, enter the name of the data store of the Proxmox Backup Server. Copy the fingerprint of the Proxmox backup server in the dashboard. Finally, add the copied fingerprint of the Proxmox backup server and add the server to Proxmox virtual environment with add. Now that the Proxmox backup server is stored in the Proxmox virtual environment system, you can perform a test backup. Please note the different backup modes, which are well described in the Proxmox documentation. To do this is to perform a one-time backup by clicking either on a VM and selecting backup, then click backup now. After a successful backup, you can see the backup in the Proxmox virtual environment as well as on the Proxmox backup server. Let's say I delete that VM and then I restore it from Proxmox backup server. You choose the backup and do the restore. So your virtual machine has been completely restored after being deleted from the Proxmox virtual environment system. I hope this video helped you install Proxmox backup server and backup virtual machines. As always, if you found this post useful, then subscribe to my YouTube channel.